How to create a 6-side sparkle in Illustrator. Click and hold on the rectangle tool and select the star tool. Click anywhere, enter. 6 is the number of sides. Scale up your 6-side shape holding Alt Option and Shift. Press A for the direct selection tool. Click on one of the outside control points. Now holding Shift, click on all of the other outside control points. Once they are all selected, click on any one of them and drag outwards. But hey, there you go. Next, use the rotate tool to well rotate. Give your shape a lovely fill color. And there you go.